2019 is completed. So we have a latest smartphones and latest technology in that events. So in that event, many smartphones like Samsung S9 and Vivo new Apex concept and many more smartphones are came out, and also in MWC 2018 many mid-range smartphones also came out. So MWC 2018 is over and completed. So now leave that. Next, the famous Google I/O 2018 to come out in May. I/O helps each and every year, and Google brings a new technology to every year. That means they conduct an event every year called Google I/O, and they bring new technology in that event. We consider these two events are only for the mobiles, like only Android mobiles. So let me consider about MWC 2018. So in the MWC 2018, so we see a rare product of Apple, but mainly focused on the Android system, and we can see the Google. Google is completely focused on the Androids. That means in Google I/O 2018, the who create Apple, they develop completely Android preview. So these two events are based only on the Android. You are confused. Then where is Apple launch event? So where did Apple conduct event? So this is the event, guys. Apple conduct WWDC each and every year, and they bring the new technology like Google I/O and MWC 2018. That means in the WWDC 8 in event, the Apple announces a new technology and the new smartphones of their own. Apple has revealed that WWDC 2018 will be conducted on June 4th. In this video, I am going to talk about what we expect WWDC 2018. So I gonna expect some of the few updates that Apple may bring. Apple has announced to make their WWDC 2018 event on June 4th to June 7th. So my expectations on WWDC 2018 I will share with you. At WWDC, Apple announces a new variety of iOS. That means they bring the new version of iOS. For example, in the present iOS 11 is running. So in WWDC 2018, Apple gonna review iOS 12, and they also bring the new Mac OS, and they also bring the TV OS, and they also bring the Watch OS. Also launch some iPads and MacBook Pros and many more, and they also launch some smartphones too. First, let me talk about what we expect WWDC 2018 event. So first one was I will expect from WWDC 2018 is Apple OS. So Apple gonna review iOS 12 on WWDC 2018. So they're gonna bring the new iOS 12 to their new iPhone X launch, and pretty those devices who support iOS 12. And they also announced the new Mac OS and new Watch OS and the new TV OS. So WWDC 2018, they're gonna bring the new OS. First, they're gonna reveal iPhone SE 2, as the smartphone offers a 4.2-inch display, and Apple A10 Fusion S4 stock and 2 GB of RAM. The hand further spectaculated to come with 30 GB and 128 GB of different storages. So iPhone SE 2 is the smaller version of the Apple iPhone X. So those who don't like Apple 4 with the bigger size, they bring the iPhone SE series. Those who like the Apple smaller screen inches. New MacBook. So last year, Apple has announced the new MacBook series at WWDC 2017. So in this year also, I would expect they launch the new series of MacBook Pro. So according to rumors, they launch MacBook Pro. They are pretty rumors, not real. Common in WWDC 2018. That means they launch mobiles, they launch MacBook Pros, and they launch new version of iOS. But according to rumors, there are few more things that Apple may launch and reveal in WWDC 2018. That Apple gonna review the updated MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air, and also the iPad Pro with the Apple iPhone X notch. So Apple iPhone X notch is very trendy in 2018. So Apple iPad 2 come with Apple iPhone X notch. So these are the rumors, not real. And we can expect the iPhone X with different screen sizes. So as I am saying, this is my expectation, and these are the rumors surrounding the internet. That means the Apple gonna reveal the new iPhone X with different sizes. So these rumors were round up in December that Apple gonna stop the production of iPhone X, and they bring the iPhone X in different sizes. So in WWDC 2018, they're gonna launch iPhone X with different sizes. Overall conclusion, what I expect WWDC 2018. So the first one was they're gonna review iOS 12. They're gonna reveal iOS 12. And the next one is they're gonna reveal MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. And there are also rumors that Apple gonna bring MacBook in budget segment. So not very pretty sure. And the next they're gonna reveal the new iPad Pro. And last they're gonna reveal that speakers like Apple HomePad and other things. So this is the overall video. Hope you like this video. So Apple WWDC 2018 is very famous like Google I/O and WWDC 2018. So stay tuned to June 4 and goodbye.